Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. You've bought a bunch of flowers and you want to put them in a vase. This is something that shouldn't be intimidating. It should be fun for you. So we'll show you a shortcut to putting those beautiful flowers in a vase. A bouquet like this isn't going to be able to sit in a vase like that and be pretty. We're going to have to cut those stems and make it beautiful. Most bunches of flowers come with a packet of flower food. So you use that and mix it up to the directions on the back. I've already mixed 1 quart of floral nutrient water. I'll pour that into my vase. And then we'll open our bunch of flowers. You'll notice that I use a florist knife to cut my flowers. You can also use a sharp florist scissors to cut your flowers as well. The shortcut is exactly what we talk about. It's cutting the flowers short. So here, I'm going to reduce the length of the stem so that the flower sits down inside my vase. Cutting the stems shorter allows me to place them at angles in the vase and create a nice compact arrangement. I also want to make sure that no foliage falls below the water line. So I'll remove that foliage before I cut it and place it into the vase. Sometimes that long bunch of flowers can be intimidating, but by cutting the stems shorter to fit the size of the vase, it helps gather all the flower heads together and makes your arrangement look beautiful. It's not as hard as it seems, and it's an easy way for you to have fun with flowers. Ribbon is a great accent to any fresh flower arrangement. Here are some great ways that you can use ribbon. We'll start off with the different types of cuts you can make to the end. Obviously, we can cut it off straight, or we can cut our ribbon at an angle. Another great way to cut the ribbon is at a dovetail. That's easy by folding over the ribbon and cutting in at an angle. It gives a great dovetail end to the ribbon itself. Another way is to add ribbon around the neck of a vase. I call this the shoelace bow. I can cut my ribbon into a dovetail on each end, wrap the ribbon around the vase, tie it into a knot, and then tie it as I would tie a shoelace. It's a great way to add ribbon around the neck of a vase. Many of the ribbons that we have are polyester based. This is one of my favorite tricks to use with ribbon. This polyester ribbon won't soak up water, so I can use it in an arrangement by adding a length rather than making a bow. I use a skewer that has a flat end rather than a pointed end. We use the flat end so that it won't pierce the ribbon. We can then lay our ribbon into an arrangement and push it directly into the foam, creating loops from one side of the arrangement to another. It allows us to use the ribbon as a design element through the arrangement and have it secured in place using the foam. Because the ribbon's polyester, it won't wick up the water. Let me show you how easy that can be done with a fresh arrangement. We'll use a length of ribbon about 2 feet long. We've cut our dovetail ends. And then we'll place the ribbon directly into the foam below the flowers, tucking it in between the flowers and looping it through the arrangement. It's an easy way to add an accent to your beautiful flower arrangement. Ribbon's an important part of having fun with flowers.